instead we'll do.
What's up, guys? It's Jack back here, and today we have been hearing like a little weird sounds in my house.
Yeah, it's really weird. It's like. So we're gonna just go check around the house.
All right, and also stay tuned for my video later. We'll be doing "Sad," right, by XXXTentacion.
Well, okay. Anyways, let's go check here. Let me hold the iPad so you could go check. I'm way too scared. So let's check in like the exercise.
Yeah, let's go check in the exercise.
Okay.
Oh yeah, let's go. And
Yeah, we're going in one of the rooms in Jack's house. Okay.
What? Oh my gosh! It's a living teddy bear! Oh my gosh!
I think it's frozen.
Oh my god, holy!
Okay. Turn off the video now. This is way too creepy.
This is creepy, guys. Should we go back in?
This thing is creepy. Oh my gosh, I heard it again. Okay, guys. Sorry, it's getting too creepy. We're gonna have to end. Jack, I cannot hear you.
What is that?
I don't know. Jack, I think that's your mom getting punched by the bear. Help! I'm getting punched by the bear! Hurry! Okay. That sounds bad.
No, it wasn't me. No, get the tape.
Okay, guys, this is getting way too creepy. We're gonna have to stop the video.
No.
Oh, wait, sorry.
No, don't. This is not creepy. It's just funny.
It's a living teddy bear, Jack. Yeah, you're dead.
All right, well, we're gonna end the video there. I hope you guys will subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and I'll see you all next time. Leave a like on this video. Goodbye.